Just keep it in your pocket. You'll thank me for the next 50 years. What if I told you that something as simple as keeping a small item in your pocket could profoundly transform your life? Intrigued? In today's video, we'll explore the profound teachings of Buddhism that reveal how this simple practice can unlock the secrets to inner peace protection and long-lasting happiness. Have you ever wondered how the smallest actions can lead to the most significant changes? The Buddha taught us that the mind is everything. What you think, you become. This timeless wisdom reminds us that our thoughts, intentions, and actions shape our reality. Imagine unlocking the potential of a practice so simple, yet incredibly powerful. By the end of this video, you'll learn 3 transformative techniques rooted in Buddhist philosophy. Techniques that protect your peace, attract positivity, and foster enduring happiness. These are more than just rituals. They are a pathway to manifesting a balanced and fulfilling life. In a world filled with stress and uncertainty, we all seek tools to help us navigate life's challenges. Today, I'm sharing 3 powerful techniques to help you do just that, with grace and resilience. But first, let's explore the common obstacles that hinder our spiritual growth and how we can overcome them. One ancient Buddhist practice that can significantly enhance your mental clarity and emotional stability is as simple as it is profound. Keeping a small item in your pocket. Yes, you heard that right. This straightforward act can shield your mind from negative influences, promote emotional stability, and enhance your overall well-being. Our journey begins with understanding the power of garlic. Yes, something as ordinary as a garlic clove can be your ally against negativity. Many cultures have long believed that garlic repels negative energies, ensuring that the spaces we live and work in are protected. Imagine walking into a home where garlic hangs from the rafters, not just filling the air with its aroma, but also warding off unseen forces. The strength of garlic lies not only in its culinary uses, but also in its spiritual significance. Carrying a garlic clove with you can be a powerful shield against negativity. It's more than just folklore. It's a tradition backed by centuries of belief. Whenever you feel overwhelmed, remember this simple tool in your pocket can serve as a powerful ally, providing protection both physically and spiritually. To maximize its power, combine the garlic with positive affirmations. Hold the clove, close your eyes, and envision a bright light that brings peace and happiness. This act of intention and belief activates garlic's protective power. Next, let's discuss cloves, a common spice that holds the potential to boost your financial fortune. By carrying 7 cloves in your left pocket and repeating the affirmation, "I attract infinite wealth," you can align yourself with the universe's abundant energy. This practice, rooted in Buddhist teachings, is more than just seeking financial gain. It's about fostering a mindset of abundance and trust. Consider the story of Siddhartha, a wealthy merchant who found true prosperity through generosity and compassion. His journey teaches us that true wealth extends beyond material possessions. It's about the abundance of kindness, faith, and community. By incorporating these simple practices into your life, you align yourself with the same principles that guided Siddhartha, inviting prosperity in its many forms. Finally, we explore the power of creating a charm with a key, a symbol of opportunity and new beginnings. Choose a key that resonates with you, tie it with a green ribbon, and repeat the affirmation, "I am ready for wealth and success in all shapes and sizes." This charm, when kept close to you, acts as a reminder that opportunities are all around us, waiting for the right moment to be unlocked. At night, place this charm under your pillow. The tranquility of the night is the perfect time to connect with your inner self, visualizing the life you desire. By focusing your mind on these goals, you set the wheels of the universe in motion, paving the way for new opportunities and successes. These rituals are not just about the physical objects, but the intention and belief you put into them. They constantly remind you of your goals, keeping you grounded and focused on achieving the life you desire. In conclusion, whether it's the garlic that shields you, the cloves that attract wealth, or the key that opens new doors, these practices are powerful tools for manifesting a life filled with peace, prosperity, and happiness. So, what will you carry in your pocket today? How will you use these simple yet profound practices to transform your life? Share your journey with us in the comments below, and let's spread the power of positivity together. Remember, as Buddha wisely said, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. Call to action. Subscribe, like, comment.